more. So I already spot a good ones. We got the fives dark colorway, and if it could in my size, I'll pick this up. But this one is really big, but the colorway and the suede quality very nice. And if you've seen one of the last video, this is the one that we pick up in retail, but my plug just hand this over to me and vapor fly knit. So we have here the Air Force One MD-07 LVA. Colorway is 7 red. The retail is 105. We bought this for $27.97 after the discount. So about 10 pieces of this item. Next one, we got this Special Force Air Force One. We bought this for $34.97 after the discount, and we bought about 5 pieces. Next one, we have the Nike Shock Gravity. Colorway is a black. George Green. Retail is $150, and we bought this for $17.47. Wow, this is the pair that we bought, like 25 pairs of this item. Pair that we got it from our flag on the Nike factory store. We got the Nike Air Max 95 Essential. Retail is $160. We bought them for $41.97 after the discount. Not bad for this one. This one is reselling somewhere around $120, $140. Not bad for this. And it would be the biggest money maker of them all. I wish this could have been my size, and I really want to keep it. The retail on this one is $140, and we got them for $83.30 after the 30% off discount. So not bad for this one. Probably I'm just gonna list this out on Goat and some on eBay. We have here the Air Jordan 6 Retro DMP. Retail is $200, and we don't have to pay extra on it, so no additional discount as well. But what I'm gonna do on this one is local pickup, so Facebook marketplace. That's it. Not gonna sell it online because not much going on online. A small profit on those. Probably I'm gonna at least make $50 to $60. I'm good with it. Alright, moving on, we got the Nike React Element 87. We got this for $48.97. Bought 5 pieces of this one. Don't go overdue, so I just pick up smaller sizes. Same on this one, we got the Air Max 90 QS. We bought them for $55.97. Pick up with smaller sizes as well. So we have here the other Nike Shock Gravity with the black and red accent. We bought them as well for $17.47. I grab all what I can get on this one. So that's a really cheap one. $17.47. Can't go wrong on those. So this is all what we got on Nike Factory Store at day 1 and day 2. And most of the pickup is the Nike Shock Gravity, which is very cheap. We got them for 17.40 and about 33 pieces of them both, excluding the other shoes. And buy cost is 527, and the retail for the 33 pieces is 4,950. So that is a really good deal for me. I might gonna double or triple my money on this one. Just gonna be patient because it is almost holiday. So if you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.